back to my channel. In today's video, I will be making a DIY sticker for my Hydro Flask, but you can do whatever you want, and I'm so excited because you don't have to spend that much money, so let's start DIYing. So what you will need is this Cricut Premium Vinyl Removable Matte DIY sticker, and it is waterproof. Your decor, which could be a Hydro Flask, laptop, mirror, anything you want, a pencil, scissors, stencil. So before we start this project, if you're not available to any technology or a printer, make sure you have a stencil if you want to do this project, because that will help too, or it can be hand drawn. So I'm almost done. This is actually kind of hard depending on how you do it. I am ready here with my letters, and I used the stencil and then cut it. And now here's this one tip to remember. When you are doing one letter, remember you're not doing it on this side, because let's just say you're doing a D on this side. When you flip it over and you want to stick it on whatever you're sticking it on, it's going to be a B. So remember to do it on the blue side so it sticks as the letter you want it. Now let's start sticking on my Hydro Flask. So I'm all done, and this is the new look of my Hydro Flask. And this is my YouTube channel name. And I have a flower growing out of it. Then I have a butterfly coming to this unique flower. And I have these pretty designs on it, and you can do whatever you want. So don't spend that much money on those. Try your own, print them, stencil them, and it's really beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the description down below, I will be putting the link for the Hydro Flask and the Premium Vinyl DIY sticker. So remember, guys, to comment down below if you like this DIY. Give this video a thumbs up, watch the video over and over again. And now comment and share this video, and hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching. Bye!